feature for Wazobia TV na total package we carry con give you. On top of chop chop, you know, so when you sabi chop food, you sef go like better thing. That's why on top of the show chop chop today, we carry betterment, carry con give you. We get people wey go cook the food, and we get those ones wey go judge am. You sabi cook? Oh yeah, carry your load, follow us. On top of Twitter, on top of Facebook, make you follow us for Instagram, sef, make we do am as e suppose be. Because for here, food, they join nature and culture together. This one na Chop Chop, and my name na Queen Bee for channel 195 for Wazobia TV. We don't enter inside Chop Chop kitchen, and you know, say when we enter, na serious business now we won't do. Today on top of the Chop Chop thing, you know say na so we dey do am. We get two contestants wey go contest within themselves. This one I dey call say they go drag am, they go try to see who go win am. Join me, make we do am together. This one na Chop Chop. On top of Chop Chop, we get two judges wey go judge the food where the contestants go cook, and we also get two contestants wey go cook for us. Today na plantain we carry come. They go cook Nigerian plantain porridge in a different way. If you never eat this one before, why not? Go get your plantain, get your pots ready, and the things where they want to cook them, where they go explain to us. Make we all do them together. Make we see if you sef go learn something from this one, because now wetin we can't do for here be that. But before then, make we meet our contestants. We go cook for us. If you get son for house, teach them how to cook, because the first contestant na guy, and he won't cook for us. Make we meet him. Make we hear wetin be name. My brother, how you dey?
Hi. Good afternoon, ma.
Wetin be your name?
My name is Shamsuddin Ogundipe.
Shamsuddin Ogundipe. From where?
Exactly, from Ogun State.
Ogun State. And you sabi cook?
By the grace of God.
All right, make we see. Wetin you want cook for us today?
I want to cook plantain.
Okay.
And concassé we are compliment.
Okay, plantain concassé.
Yeah.
But for Nigeria, we just dey cook plantain porridge. You don't know whether na concassé or whatever.
In order to make things look different from what we are cooking.
You want to make it different?
Exactly.
All right, no wahala. Make we meet the second contestant. My sister, how you dey?
I dey fine. Good afternoon.
Wetin be your name?
My name na Lizzie.
Lizzie.
Yes.
All right, Lizzie, where you come from?
I come from Ebonyi State.
Ebonyi State. People wey chop plantain remain.
Yes, so.
All right, what do you want to do for us today on top of chop chop?
I want to cook our local food.
Okay.
Plantain porridge.
Plantain porridge.
Yes.
All right, explain to us how you want to start. Wetin and wetin you want use?
Well, I go use my dry fish,
Okay.
my spice, salt to taste. I'll use my crayfish, because crayfish is very essential in this.
Okay.
And I will come use ugu, take garnish am
Okay.
with my blended pepper, so that the thing go come out well.
All right. Okay.
I'll use my palm oil,
All right.
because now palm oil that they take cook this kind of food.
Wow. Okay, now Shamsuddin, what do you self carry?
So I get dry fish.
Okay.
That is called ejagbigbe in Yoruba.
Ejagbigbe.
Exactly.
All right. This one, okay.
This is sauce, my sauce.
Okay.
This is salt.
Okay.
And this is crayfish, grounded crayfish.
Okay.
And this pepper.
Okay.
And this ugu.
All right.
And my palm oil to make everything look superb and attractive.
Wow. Okay. To chop food na better thing, and these people don't ready. Whether na he, whether na she. But before them, make we meet our judges. The people who want make today, make we know say yes, na real. This one, na in they call competition inside kitchen. And you know the funny thing, na charcoal pot now we want use take cook this one. We know they use gas, so you go to say bang, you don't cook am. It must be the way it's supposed to be. Make we meet our judges. My sisters, how una dey?
We dey fine.
All the fine ladies. Una self know about food.
We dey kampe.
All right,
Food.
What be your name?
My name na Judith Awudu.
Judith Awudu. Oh, Judith Awudu, where you come from?
I come from Edo State.
Edo State. We the Edo people. We serve the chop plantain.
Yes, so well.
All right. Your name, my sister?
My name is Nankiru Odocha
In Kiru, where you come from?
from Imo State.
Imo State. Wow. Igbo people self know about them. Edo people self know about them. And we get our chefs. We won't compete within themselves. If you dey house, not think say na only woman they enter kitchen, men too they enter kitchen. You want join us? Follow us on Top Chop Chop, because now here all the magic they for happen. Make you self no miss am. Make you self they part of this one. Make you stick with us on top of Chop Chop. But before then, make we go for small shikini break. We dey come back so that we go wash our hand, we go arrange our pot for fire. Now here, now for the happen. This one na Chop Chop, and my name na Queen Bee.